Visualize the inner organs of your body, the veins through which, the veins through which the prana urja, the breath is flowing, is made of transparent glass tubes. Just imagine the inside of your body, the veins of your body is made of glass tubes, and from it, your prana urja, your breath is flowing. See your breath traveling through this transparent pipes. These pipes are filled with golden, very beautiful golden small particles. And the breathe you are breathing is also golden. Inhale through your nostril. Visualize this golden liquid flowing through the glass tube, through your nostril, to your forehead, to your head, to the back of your head, back of your neck, and now to your whole body till your navel. See the transparent tubes filled with golden liquid. This golden liquid filling your body. This golden liquid give you a golden life, the life you which you had dreamt of. Just visualize the life which you want. See it coming to you. See it coming to you. Just thank your breath. You are because of this breath only. You are because of the every breath you are inhaling and exhaling. This golden breath through the transparent glass tubes, giving you vital energy, giving you prana, giving you urja, giving you life. We had never thanked our breath. We had never thanked our breath. Today is the day we will be grateful to our each and every breath we had inhaled and exhaled. Gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, dear breath, for giving me energy, for keeping me healthy, for giving me this life. We had never been grateful enough. You should ask the value of each and every breath to the person who is sleeping on a ventilator. Ask, ask that person about the value of each and every breath. The person who is in ventilator. We are grateful. We should be grateful that we are able to breathe freely. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shukrana, shukrana, shukrana. Shukrana to each and every breath that I inhale. Shukrana, thank you to each and every breath I exhale. Thank you to the wisdom I have. Thank you to the life I am living. Thank you to all the food I had eaten. Thank you to all the water I had consumed. Thank you for all the relationships of my life. Thank you for all the gifts I had received till date. Thank you for all the knowledge I had gained. Thank you for all the good experiences of my life. Thank you for all the bad experience of my life because those had made me more wiser, more alert. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to all the vital organs of my body which work for me day and night without asking anything, without complaining anything. Thank you for the heart that beat non-stop. Thank you to my digestive system, endocrine system, which works just for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for all the money I had spent till date. Thank you for all the money I had received till date. Thank you for my workspace. Thank you for my office. Thank you for my colleagues who love me. Thank you for the colleagues who don't love me, that give me the power to withhold my power, to go ahead and prove myself. Thank you to all the medicines I had consumed till date, because this medicines has given me a health, a step towards the better health. Thank you for all the love I had received till date. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to the Mother Nature for all the flora and fountain which we are receiving every day without any charges. Thank you to the sun that shines brightly every day. There would have been no life on this earth without the sun. Thank you to the moon. Thank you to all the water we receive from this earth.
Please to join against with classes.
Thank you to my pet animals. Thank you for all and everything I had received till date. There are many people on earth, many people in my neighborhood, many people in my family who want to live a life I am spending, who want to step in my shoes, who consider me lucky. Thank you, thank you, thank you for giving me this beautiful life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for this eyes from which I can see this beautiful world. Thank you to my nose from which I can smell the beautiful essence of this nature. Thank you to my mouth from which I voice out my word of wisdom. Thank you to my ears which make me hear the word of wisdoms. Thank you to my throat. Thank you to my shoulders. Thank you to my chest. Thank you to my heart. Thank you to my stomach. Thank you to my legs, which holds the entire weight of my body. Thank you to my hands, which makes me able to hold my loved ones. Thank you to my feet, which take me everywhere I want to go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to my mother who gave birth to me. Thank you to my father for spending money on me. Thank you to my siblings for giving me beautiful childhood. Thank you to all my friends for all the beautiful laughing moments. Thank you to all my teachers who had given me wisdom. Thank you to all my staff who had made my life easy, without whom my life has been difficult. Thank you to my job from where I'm getting money to spend. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to all the money I had spent till date for my own comfort. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to this COVID which has taught me many lessons in my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to God for making me the chosen one. I am living a life which many people want to live. I am leading a life which many people want to lead. There may be some flaws in my life, but I had still had the best, which many people just can dream of. As you are becoming more and more thankful, the golden flow of energy in your transparent tubes in your body is flowing, is free flowing, and making your body golden from inside outside and your life a golden life. Just visualize the golden flow of liquid, golden flow of energy inside your body. It is becoming more free flow. It is more bright, more golden as you are more grateful. As you are more grateful. Be thankful. Be thankful. Be thankful.
मुझे तुमने दाता बहुत कुछ दिया है, मुझे तुमने दाता बहुत कुछ दिया है। तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। मुझे तुमने दाता बहुत कुछ दिया है। तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। ना मिलती अगर दी हुई दात तेरी, तो क्या थी जमाने में औकात मेरी। तुम्ही ने तो जीने के काबिल किया है। तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। मुझे तुमने दाता बहुत कुछ दिया है। मुझे है सहारा तेरी बंदगी का, है जिस पर गुजारा मेरी जिंदगी का। मिला मुझको जो कुछ तुम्ही से मिला है। तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। मुझे तुमने दाता बहुत कुछ दिया है। किया कुछ न मैंने, शर्मसार हूँ मैं। तेरी रहमतों का तलबगार हूँ मैं। दिया कुछ नहीं बस लिया ही लिया है। तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है। मुझे तुमने दाता बहुत कुछ दिया है।
जी हाँ, दाता ने आपको बहुत कुछ दिया है. God has showered His immense blessings on you. Be grateful. The more grateful you are, the more shower, the more blessings you will receive. Be grateful to your breath, to making you alive, to keeping you alive. Visualize your breath once again. The golden flow of prana urja, the golden flow of liquid in the transparent tubes inside your body. This golden liquid will make your life more beautiful, more golden, your neighborhood more golden. The more beautiful you become, you will start distributing, you will start spreading it, you will radiate golden, and you will start making your neighborhood, the people who comes in contact with you, more beautiful. Just be thankful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You can rub your palms, put it in your eyes, and come back to your senses whenever you want to.
I would like to say something.
Yes, Pratiksha ji.
Thank you. It was very heart touching. I could not stop crying. Thank you. It was
Yes, we should be more grateful. We are living a golden life, the
Yeah.
life other people's dream of.
The tears kept coming. I could not stop it. Every word or every
This
sentence.
is the cleansing. This is the cleansing of our body, cleansing of our heart chakra.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pratiksha ji.
Okay, it was very good. Short, very beautiful.
Thank you, Pradesh ji.
Prachi ji,
Grateful and blessed.
Thank you, Shuma ji.
is it possible
Yes,
to
let's go ahead and clap the hands.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. If there is, we have some time. So if there is any more questions, please let us know. Kriti ji, we have 15 more minutes.
Okay.
So
Yeah, I kept the time if they, because somebody is asking me in a chat that they had tried for 15 minutes, still their nadi could not be changed.
Yeah.
It has,
So
I
let's-
would like to say that it has changed, but you are unable to feel it.
Yeah.
You are not becoming aware of it, because as this is something very new to you, and sometimes we don't even realize which nadi is working. Shuru mein hame yahi lagega, no, both is working, both is working, both is working. Rinki ji ka hand raise hai. Rinki ji, you want to say something? There's a
so
hand
if
raise.
anybody want to say something or have a question, you can now raise the hand, please, and
Yes.
we will take one by one.
Yeah.
Rinki, you can go ahead.
थैंक यू मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम अगर मेडिटेशन कर रहे हैं तो उस वक्त हमें किस नाड़ी से करना चाहिए
मेडिटेशन जनरली हम सुषमना, अगर हमारे सुषमना चलती है तो उस वक्त तो हमें करना ही चाहिए मेडिटेशन, बट मेडिटेशन कैन बी डन विथ एनी नाड़ी. मेडिटेशन कैन बी डन विथ एनी नाड़ी.
ओके एंड मैम मेरा सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये है कि जैसे हमें अचानक होता है कि हमें प्यास लग रही है तो क्या हमें वेट करना चाहिए कि हम चंद्र से सूर्य पे स्विच करें और फिर पानी पिएं या पानी पी लेना चाहिए
इट इज एडवाइजेबल कि आप सूर्य से चंद्र में ट्रांसफर करके ही पानी पिए, बिकॉज जब हम वो पानी पीते हैं वो हमें गुण नहीं करता है, बिकॉज
Okay.
वो हमारे पेट की जठर अग्नि को बुझा देता है, उसी से हमें कफ वात पित्त जो हम बोलते हैं उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. हाँ, बहुत हमारे बॉडी में इतना कफ बन रहा है, इतना पित्त बन रहा है, किस लिए बन रहा है? बिकॉज वी आर ड्रिंकिंग एंड ईटिंग एट द रॉन्ग नाड़ी.
Okay.
Try to shift it, though I
Mhm.
also couldn't master this till now. I too जब पानी प्यास लगा पी लिया, but if we try to change, definitely it will give you miraculous result. People in the group are saying कि जब से उन्होंने they had started practicing doing it, they are having great results.
Okay. Thank you so much ma'am.
Thank you.
Ramya?
So, on the same lines, when you are working out, should your right nostril be active or your left nostril be active?
It depends on what type of work you are doing. If it's a heavy work, it's a work which need your physical strength. Like if you are a gym instructor, if you are a Zumba instructor, if you are a dance instructor, or any work which you need your physical appearance, physical weight, physical heavy work, then right nostril, that is Surya Nadi. And if your work need to be a more creative side, you are just working and sitting on a computer, think about it, calculation, accounting, drawing, something of your creative side, then it has to be Chandra Nadi.
So even yoga is right side then.
Yes, yoga is right side.
Thank you.
You will see, you will be able to do it more easily, because
Yeah.
it will give strength to your body. It will automatically give strength to your body. Right nostril gives you
always feel-
strength. to you.
Yeah, I always feel my right nostril
More-
is more active than
More,
the left.
more active. Okay, are you a short-tempered person? Are you? Yes,
Yeah.
because your right nostril is working more, na? That's why. Anybody
Thank
else?
you, Ramya.
Thank you.
Yes,
Shobha?
Shobha ji.
Shobha, you're on mute. Now you can speak.
Yeah. Is there any particular hours in a day we have to maintain on Surya Nadi and Chandra Nadi?
Nothing. See, कहते हैं ना नेचर से ज्यादा छेड़छाड़ नहीं करनी चाहिए. If you don't have some particular work or some important thing, try not to change the nadi. Let it flow as it is flowing. But if you have something particular at that time to do in a particular nadi, then only try to change it. Otherwise, don't play with nature. Let it be as it is.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shobha. Priya? Katiji, I
Hi,
think thank you. Okay. Priya, go ahead.
thank you. It was a really good session. It's like I had a lot of information I never came across before. So thank you very much for sharing all the information. I have one question regarding like you are talking about like switching an nadi, or like you're saying like if one nadi is more active than the other. Say for example, if you have like keep getting cold or cough a lot, then your Chandra nadi is more active. Then you have to activate a Surya nadi. So, but it will switch after like an hour, right? So do you need to like keep activating your Surya nadi until you feel better?
See, once you activate your Surya Nadi, it will automatically go for 1 hour, 25 minutes, I said. Whenever
Yes.
we switch on the Nadi, it will
Uh-huh.
automatically it will activate for 1 hour, 25 minutes to the
Okay.
minimum.
Okay.
And if your body is more hot towards the hotter side or cooler side, it might last for 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
Okay.
So if you are having cold and cough, you has shifted from Chandra to Surya. It will be there to 1.5 hour. So it will automatically diminish your cold and cough. Within 1.5 hour is too long to reduce your cold and cough effect. And still, if you are feeling no, it is still there, you can again keep on activating it. You can keep some heavy thing towards your left, and so your Surya Nadi will be activated.
So it won't create like any problem irrespective of like age and things like that.
No, nothing. It never creates a problem. It never creates a problem.
But aren't we doing something against like how it is supposed to act? Like we are supposed to breathe like we are actually like normally breathing like 1.5 hour in left and 1.5 hour in right. But then you are trying to activate like the right.
That's what I told Shobha ji. Yes. That's what I told Shobha ji right now. Until and unless we need it, we should not change it. We should not play with nature until and unless we need it.
Okay.
Until and unless we need it. We should not try to change it.
So when you need it, then when you change it, then it is okay.
That is perfectly
until
fine.
you get better.
Yeah, of course, you won't be doing it for more than once or twice in a day. It's not like every hour you are changing it. Right. And when you become a pro and after practicing for a few weeks, you will see your body is automatically adjust to the situation. Your body start listening to you. Your breath start listening to you.
Okay.
You automatically will start working according to your breath. Aapko abhi khana khana, if your Surya Nadi is not working, you will automatically wait for few more minutes. That I will eat only when Surya Nadi is active. If you want to drink, you will automatically drink water in a Chandra Nadi. Your body will give you signal. And it is said we should not drink water, not a drop of water after 9 o'clock at night. Because after 9 o'clock, Chandra Nadi gets activated in our body. बहुत body में coolness बढ़ जाता है हमारे. If we drink more and more water, it will increase more coolness in our body, which leads to lung infections, cold, cough, and all this. So रात को 9 से 5 morning till 5 in the morning, you should not drink water. You should not drink water. Everybody is still checking their nostrils. I can see.
I think we have you've given a word to them.
Wow, everybody the whole day.
I wanted to drink some water.
So I wanted to drink some water, so I was trying to switch to right.
No, and then she said not to drink water after 9 o'clock. But
Yes.
what if you're drinking warm water? Just a little
Whatever.
bit.
Water is a water. Water
Okay.
is water. Try to avoid it. I had started trying avoid it. I told you I was too much prone to cold and cough. I am
Yeah.
trying to avoid it. लेकिन अगर बहुत प्यास लग रही है तो this is a nature's call ना. थोड़ा सा we can have.
Okay. Thank you.
But
We are
once your
always
body gets
finishing up
accustomed to it-
meditation like 10:30 and drinking water after that.
Yes.
At least I am.
I just have a habit before going to bed. I would have at least sip or something. So that's why I asked you.
I think as she said, once or twice is okay. Like
In small quantity.
Some small sips are okay.
Small sips.
But as you are going to continue it, it will your body will automatically demand less
Yes.
as
Yes,
with the
yes.
practice. So just give yourself some time. At least the starting is important. Any more questions? I see everybody's
Say,
checking the
you
line.
said that if someone is more prone to cold and cough, so most of the, let's say in 24 hours, 18 hours, both the noses are blocked, then how will you switch the nari then?
No, our nose are not blocked. It's a myth. We feel that our nose are blocked, but it's not blocked. We are breathing from one nostril. You have to become more conscious towards it.
Even during the cold?
Yes. Even in the cold, our one nostril is working. Because of the effect of the cold, we feel that it's stuffed, it's blocked, but it's not. But it's not.
Sajal, if
At
it's
that
not
time-
breathing,
at
you
that
won't
time-
be alive.
No, yeah. At that time, you try to activate more of your Surya Nadi. If you will breathe through more of your right nostril, you will see automatically after a few hours, your nose blockage is gone.
I mean, I feel breathing through the mouth instead of nostril during that time. So is it
That
like
will lead to more complications and more diseases in your body. Try to breathe through your nose only, because I see a lot of people breathe through their mouth. That is not the place, that is not the organ which has God made. God has given us nostrils to breathe, mouth to eat and speak. So try to breathe through nose only. Try to avoid breathing, because when we breathe through nose, lot of dust particles goes in our body. In our nostrils, we have got small hairs which keep the dust particles, which filter away the dust particles. But when we breathe through our nostrils, there is no such thing. It is not designed in that way to filter all the impurities of air. But when we breathe through nostrils, all the dust particles, all the impurities goes inside from our breath tract to our body. It will lead to more impurities in our body. So try to breathe through your nose only, because it has been designed that way.
Thank you, Sajal. ताजी पूछो. हाँ बोलो.
कौन?
हाँ
मैं बोलूं?
बोलो ताऊ जी.
हाँ मैडम, हम लोग जनरली खाना खाते हैं रात को 9 बजे के बाद, तो पानी तो उसके बाद ही पिया जाएगा, उससे पहले कैसे पियेंगे?
यही
तो
तो
पानी
बात
तो
है.
जरूरी है
थोड़ा
खाना खाने
timing-
के बाद पीना.
थोड़ा सा पी लीजिए. 9 को आप 10 कर दीजिए. चलिए आप लोगों के लिए 10 कर देती हूँ 9 को, और क्या. इसीलिए देखते नहीं है जैनी लोग. This सर्वोदय ज्ञान है ना, this has come from the Jainis only. This is generally come from the Jainis only. Jainis are the one who are advocating it. Jainis देखिए इसीलिए 6 बजे के बाद खाना नहीं खाते. Jainis don't eat. And ये जो वापस से सर्वोदय ज्ञान फिर से इतना भोग में आया है, इतना चालू हुआ है, all the Jainis are doing it. Yes,
अच्छा दूसरा
yes.
मैडम ऐसा है कि पहले जो हमने सुना है, जानकारी ली थी कि घर से बाहर निकलो तो राइट जो लेग है उसे बाहर लेना चाहिए ऑलवेज. अभी आपकी जानकारी में हुआ कि जो नाड़ी चलती है वो पैर बाहर ले गए.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
मोर करेक्ट.
देखिए अब आपके ऊपर है, आप किसको माने, लेकिन
नहीं,
कहते
मैं-
यही है जो
देखिए-
नाड़ी चलती है हमें वही नाड़ी रखना चाहिए. अब जैसे हमें तो बचपन से सिखाया जाता है ना, कोई कुछ भी देता है राइट हैंड से लो, बट रिसीविंग हैंड इज लेफ्ट हैंड. वी शुड ऑलवेज रिसीव मनी, ऑलवेज रिसीव एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड. आप किसी को पैसे देते हो तो बोलते नहीं राइट हैंड से लो, बट वी शुड ऑलवेज रिसीव फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड, बिकॉज इट इज कॉल्ड द रिसीविंग हैंड. It is left hand is the receiving hand. आप left hand से पैसे लेने शुरू कर दो, आपको बरकत शुरू हो जाएगी. You start taking money from the left hand, start receiving it. It is always known as the receiving hand. Right hand is a giver hand, left hand is a receiver's hand. So there are many age-old myths we are living with. Yes.
अच्छा दीदी, जिसके पैरों में क्रैम्प्स बहुत ज्यादा आते हैं, उसके लिए कोई है क्या जी? बहुत ज्यादा
हाँ,
क्रैम्प्स
वो
आते हैं।
बात का दर्द वगैरह का बहुत कुछ है डिजीज का, वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट जब भी आ रहे हैं वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट. जैसे बहुत आपके आ रहे हैं ना, जनरली अगर वो बात का दर्द है तो आपके शरीर में चंद्र की ज्यादा बहुतायत है, आप सूर्य नाड़ी चालू कर दीजिए, उससे आपको बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा. एंड अगर आप लोग को चक्रास के बारे में प्रॉब्लम पता है तो यू कैन स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर मूलाधार चक्र.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Thank you, Tauji. Thank you.
Just want to ask question. One question I have. People who have naturally like उनके जो नाक होती है तो एक साइड पे थोड़ा वो नोज पटल होता है, the thing that separates two nostril. It's more on one side and less on the other side. So wherever it's more, that nostril is kind of like a block naturally. I mean, they're breathing, but it's not completely open. So is there a way to open up that
we can
nostril?
practice pranayam. We can practice pranayam for that. If you regularly practice pranayam for that, your nostril, both the airflow from both the nostril will be free flowing. But you have to practice it.
But is there a particular pranayam for that?
Oh, nothing. वो जो हम
Or
लोग
any?
This one.
The Nadi
Yeah,
Shodhan.
yeah.
Anulom Vilom and then
Anulom
yeah.
Vilom. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And
All
then I
right,
think Surya Nadi wala and Chandra Nadi wala pranayam bhi hai. I can show you tomorrow, Pratiksha.
Okay. It's for my son, so.
I can show you. Yeah, the pranayamas I can show you tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I
both
had the
of
same question. Like someone has adenoid or something like that. So
you can practice
I mean,
pranayam. Pranayam will give you amazing result in opening both the nostrils, in balancing both the nostrils.
okay.
Yeah, even if
Thank
I
you.
have sinus allergies, most of the time if I do pranayams, it really opens up everything,
Opens up, it blocks.
So it really helps.
And try avoiding breathing through your nose. It will make you more sick because impurity goes inside your body.
Okay. Cool. Thank you so much, Kriti ji. I cannot thank you enough for giving the information, and I've seen people still have questions, and the questions will keep coming. So as I predicted that this will be a very informative session, and I'm just a big gratitude from all of us to you for coming here. Ravindra ji is also asking me your number, so I would share the number if you permit. So
yeah, sure. If anybody wants a number, you can share the number.
And I think he's from PMC, like he holds the PMC store in Mumbai. So and so yeah, but thank you so much for coming, and I promise to everybody that we will try again as the dates work out. If the dates will work out, she will come back tomorrow. If not, then sometimes end of April or maybe May. We will talk, and I'll let you know. Collect all your questions on your disease, and then we can just put it all together, right? From that day.
Prachi ji, it will be May then, because my 21-day session will be starting morning and evening, so I won't be available.
That's what I said. We can do it in May, but I'm just waiting on somebody else who was already planned to come tomorrow. So if he's ready to shift, then it was Ravindra sir, it was Mahendra sir who was coming tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I just left a message.
Yesterday only he told me that he is going to conduct. Yeah.
So we will see if it is possible then tomorrow. If not, then we will shift to some other days. We will have to work out some dates. Yeah.
For Mahendra sir, it is a bit difficult. Monday to Friday, he is one.
No, I know. So I told him to do next Sunday.
Yeah. Oh.
We'll see. Yeah, I'm waiting for the reply. But yeah.
Okay.
So thank you so much, Kriti ji. Really appreciate you coming here, giving us time, and answering all the questions. I know it is a very vast and it is a very confusing.
It is a vast thing.
So, but you made it so easy for everybody to understand. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kriti ji. Thank you.
Good night to US. Good night to US people and good day to Indian people.
Yeah, people. Yes, our day is starting.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye,
Good
bye,
night,
bye, bye.
all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shubha.
Shubha. Thank you, Rinki. Thank you, Meg.
Thank you both of you for bringing the speaker. It was wonderful, awesome.
Thank you.
I
Thank
cannot.
you for being here and asking questions.
Yeah, even my daughter is with me.
Hi.
Hi, Mahi.
She was kept on checking her nadis too.
Oh, interesting.
No, it is good. Actually, all the kids should do it. If
Yeah.
they
Yes.
if they come in practice now, it is easy.
She's like, Mom, my left is started. Which one is yours? You know.
Now that's good because at early age when they learn, it's like the whole life they can practice for good knowledge, good things. It's
Yeah,
always
Switch
last
off the recording.
couple of days she been meditating with
Switch
me.
off the
so-
recording.